This premium IM31 tuning kit transforms your pneumatic wrench with precision-engineered bearings and hammerkins for ultimate durability and performance. Feel the difference with smoother operation and reduced vibration during heavy-duty tasks. Perfect for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts who demand reliability. Scan the QR code in the upper right corner to explore pricing and delivery options. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more professional tool reviews and smart upgrades. Key specs include compatibility with IM31 and IM32 models, 3/8-inch drive, and high-strength replacement components.